Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Feb and today it's Wizarding Wicks time again. It seems to come around really quickly. I'm wearing my brand new t-shirt that was given to me by one of my fantastic subscribers. It's the Black Cat Apothecary. I'll show you a close up at the end. I absolutely love this so much I can't even. So thank you to Glimmer Morningstar for that. Let's get into this package and see what we've been given this month. Okay, check it out. We've got a nice little label on it. That is so cool. Wizarding Wicks, that's new. It's pink string. The box smells. I don't know. I always get it wrong. When I say what I think it smells like, it never is. So I'm just not going to say. Let's get it open and have a look and see what's inside. Can't say it's my favourite scent I've ever smelled. Okay, as usual, we have the wax melts, and it's called Divination Class. Okay. Let's have a look and see what they look like, and then I'll tell you the notes afterwards when I give you the close-up. These have usually got really pretty, oh, and they have again, look at that. How gorgeous. Shiny, sparkly, super pretty. I haven't got the faint, actually, you know what? That could well be divination. It's a bit floral, but a bit kind of woody as well. Have a look and see what the candle is. I'm excited. Okay, it's well wrapped as usual. Ooh, wow, okay. Mine's slightly popped out, so it's been a little bit rubbed on the top, but check that out. Looks like an ice cream, oh my word. Oh, wow, okay. That is beautiful. Ooh, wrong way, there we go. Wow, what do you think of that? Phew, okay. I don't know if I'm going to like this one, but still, I'll burn it first and then I'll let you know. But let me show you the close-ups of these. Okay, here we are. Look at them. Aren't they nice? So this is Divination since 1981. It's a lovely label. And the glass jar, you can't really see it because where I am, I can see the light going through it, but it's a beautiful purple colour. This looks like a moon, doesn't it? That's just gorgeous. And the wax melt, it says Divination Class, discover the calming allure of Trelawney's Divination Class wax melt infused with lavender and chamomile. Soothing fragrance captures the quiet magic of reflection and intuition. Really? Okay. Creating a peaceful ambiance. Perfect for divination. All right. All right. Gentle and blah blah. So yeah, that's what it says, and it is a pretty thing, no doubt. Both of them, as always, absolutely lovely. I'm not sure that this one is going to be my favorite, but we'll see. I'll leave an update in the description box or on a pinned comment as and when I've used them. All right, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.